Let's step in to introduce your container. Here we go, inside the container. Here's our container, just only third week, and well, let's see how it's growing. Come on. Here. Okay, let's see. It's very wide, very healthy roots are growing, and leaves are very crispy. You can see this one. Plants are growing very well. Wow. Such a long roots. Very beautiful. Okay, we are growing a multiple varieties in one container. Here we go. Let's see. It's a puzzle. The diff is so. Multiple varieties in one container. Here you see the beauty